But you claim at the same time, during the same incident, Miss McKinney kicked your car.
Yes, the driver's side door.
Your Honor, that's not true.
You want to say something to her?
Don't interrupt the judge.
Perfect. Now, it is possible that the insurance company, while they paid for the fact that your car was rear-ended by her, said that if there was damage on the report to the driver's side door, said, well, that was a criminal act of vandalism, and we're not going to cover her criminal act of vandalism, so we're not going to pay for that. That's possible. But my question is, why did you wait 2 years to sue her?
Well, I'm a student. I have a lot of things going on, and she also had a pending case in reference to this case in terms of her the restitution, and so a few details.
Just a second.
Yes.
You had a pending criminal case for vandalism? Is my question, for something, you had a pending criminal case. Miss McKinney, don't look confused. Your father's going to be annoyed. Did you have a pending criminal case?
I don't know. Like, I had a case prior to that.
Did you go to court about this incident that happened in October of 2016?
No.
Like, no.
What were you in court about?
Well, this particular case for the accident, it did cause probationary period for 6 months.
Miss McKinney, I'm getting frustrated with you. I don't know about your father. I've been a judge for 38 years.
At least.
I know about the court system. Were you arrested for this incident? That's either a yes or a no.
Yes.
Did you plead guilty to resolve that case? That's either a yes or a no.
No.
Were you found guilty? That's either a yes or a no.
No.
What did they put you on probation for?
It was for criminal recklessness, Your Honor.
Criminal recklessness involving what date?
October 24th, 2000.
That's this case.
Yes.
They don't put you on probation unless you're found guilty.
Well, it was an incident, Your Honor, and at the time...
That's not an incident. There's no such thing in the penal law. You're either found guilty or you plead guilty in order to resolve it, and you're placed on probation with restitution.
Well, it was an accident.
You're not placed on probation for an accident. Courts don't place people on probation for an accident. They may suspend your driver's license. They may say you're on a probationary period for your driver's license. You're not placed on probation by a court unless you plead guilty or found guilty. Probation is a disposition of the court, like jail. You get either jail or probation. Probation sometimes is coupled with restitution. Were you ordered to pay restitution? That's either a yes or a no.
Yes.
How much?
It was $120, Your Honor.
Did you pay it?
Yes.
Show the paper.
I have the
Show me proof that you paid the restitution.
And the bottom one. And the bottom one.
And I have, as well, to add with that, Your Honor, I have the records to show that I don't have any pending criminal.
I don't care whether you have any pending criminal, whatever. You're not ordered to pay restitution and placed on probation unless you either plead guilty or are found guilty. This wasn't restitution. This was court costs.
That was for that case, Your Honor.
It was court costs. It's not restitution. Criminal recklessness. And this was a plea. You pled guilty to criminal recklessness. Plea agreement. That's what that says. Plea agreement. You signed it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was confused, Your Honor. I was just stating that I didn't plead guilty to...
I'm not confused. Your father's not confused. You signed it. The judge signed it. You pled guilty.
Well, in my understanding, I was saying I wasn't guilty to intentionally causing the accident.
Miss McKinney, then you're very, very confused. And your father will talk to you later because I don't have time to give you a lesson in common sense.